Hi, it's Crystal from Dandelion Creations. Today I am going to show you my Darn Good Yarn package unboxing video. So I hope you enjoy. So let's take a look and see what's inside. This video is sponsored by Darn Good Yarn. Check out their Instagram page or website at darngoodyarn.com. What I love about Darn Good Yarn is that they deliver high-quality, eco-friendly products. One of their main goals is to support sustainable and fair jobs around the globe through ethical sourcing and working with producers and organizations that have similar goals. They also create and sell products that are good for our planet, reducing impact on the environment. Okay, so these are the items. I'm just going to go through everything here. First, I'll start with what was in this subscription box. So in the subscription boxes, you can, in the yarn one, so I will show you this first before we go any further. Here are the other options that are available with the subscription boxes, and some start at $10 a month, some are $20. So they have a yarn of the month subscription box, so you always get a skein of yarn and then some kind of an accessory. It could be, you know, some buttons or stitch markers. And then they also have a bead of the month. They have a fabric of the month, which is pretty cool too. And then they have a mystery skirt of the month, which is also neat, where you can get a skirt each month. So in this subscription box that I got this worsted weight silk roving yarn in watercolors. As you can see, it's very vibrant. The colors are rich, very deep colors. So I really like that. So these are all handmade in India. And then I also got these knitting needles. I believe these are 8mm knitting needles. And this is a 5mm crochet hook. So it has this like ombre color where it changes. They're really pretty actually. And they feel very sturdy as well. And I really like the base. And then of course, on the very bottom of the base, they have their Darn Good Yarn stamped in there, which is pretty cool. So also in the subscription box, you get a little pamphlet, and it just talks about the history of the yarn and where it's made. And then it talks about, you know, meeting the artisans that created this yarn for you. And then it also invites you to the stitch where you can learn new stitches. And it also has the pattern that you can use that skein of yarn that they gave you. So in this particular subscription box, the pattern is for a party cowl. So you get the knit pattern and you also get the crochet pattern. So that's really cool. I mean, if you can make both. And then just, you know, like if you have any questions or comments, just some contact information that you can, you know, go through, or if you want to follow them, they're on Facebook and Instagram as well at Darn Good Yarn. So in addition to the subscription box, I also got this worsted weight roving silk yarn called Dandelion Poof. So it's got little flecks of color in it. I think it's really super neat. You can see that there's some orange there, but yeah, it's just a very creamy color yarn. It's also, you know, very thick. So I'm excited to work with this as well. It should be fun. And then the last thing that I have here is a pair of unicorn scissors. I'm actually really excited about these scissors. And I like the packaging. I'm probably going to keep them in this because it'll keep them safe, but I'll take that tag off, I think. But yeah, it's a little Ziploc. So here they are. Look at how cute those are. Alright, so the next part of this video, I am going to use these items. I think I'm going to try to make a pom-pom and see how these cut through that. And then I am going to make something out of these colors here. I think it's going to be fun. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's check out these scissors. Oh, that cuts through really good, actually. And that is actually a really clean cut. All right. So not only do these scissors cut through, like that's, you know, when you're making pom-poms, that's probably the hardest part, is trying to cut through all that yarn that you have wrapped around there. And that cut through no problem. So not only are they pretty, but they also work really well. So I'm very happy with these. To close out this video now, but I do encourage you to check out Darn Good Yarn. I will provide a link in the description box of this video, along with my code InstaYarnCreations15, where you can save 15% on your purchase, excluding subscriptions and gift cards, so you can create your own environmentally friendly crafts. But keep in mind, this offer expires May 31st, 2021.